하지만 방탄소년단이 진격한다면 어떨까?
I don't like the way you talk to me, saying you can talk to me however you like. I know that ain't right. I don't like the way you talk to me, saying you can talk to me.
Go to a magic shop. It's like some kind of shop.
Yeah.
And we, give our trauma. we get something back.
Bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, and another song people are talking about that's on the album.
다 맞죠. 네, 이제 많이 저희들 보면서 저희 생각을 많이 해주시니까 좀 재밌게 표현을 해봤죠.
미리 타요. 안 하네.
아이고, sorry.
Appreciates that for sure. Thank you! BTS is hanging out, you guys. Let's go into song number 14. Bless you, by the way. Thanks. That one sneeze can get like 50,000 retweets, so we got it on tape.
예뻐진 호비도.
이게 없네. Please invite us, Alfie.
Bless you.
Bless you.
How do bless you?
Bless you.
How do
뭐 한 거야? 애교 부린 거야?
근데 그렇게 못했다는 게 이건 잘못된 재치기의 습관입니다, 여러분들. 재치기를 할 때는
Hers is so short.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
And